Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on here and say hi to everybody and talk to you a little bit about the math cards that were sent home. Keep in mind that this video will be on your Facebook page, and you don't need to do it right now. Some of you are feeling overwhelmed and just not sure about all of this that's going on. So if that's you, just hold off. Don't do anything. When things calm down, you can come back and look at this. But for those of you who are looking for something to do, those cards that were sent home in your packets, we can do so much with those. But first, you need to make up the cards. So all you have to do is make up the cards. That's all this post is going to be about, is making up those cards. Once those are done, then I'm going to come back on and show you how to play some games with those, because I am a strong believer in games to learn math. We can make math fun. We can help the kids learn math without even realizing that they're learning math, and they just think that they're playing a game. So here's a quick little discussion about how to make the math cards. As you can see, Ruthie and I made these up. Basically all we did was glue them onto the index cards. I used a homeschool, so I have a laminating machine, but you don't need to do that. You can just glue them on. But just make sure if you're gluing, when you're gluing them on, that you're getting the corners down really well, because you're going to use these for a lot of different games and ideas. Maybe you could put a piece of Scotch tape over it, or if you have wide packing tape in the house. But don't worry, you just want to get them made up into these cards. So basically there are 6 different types of cards. Some of them you're familiar with, some of them probably less familiar. We have the tally mark cards, the dot, like similar to dice cards, the hand cards, obviously the numerical cards, the 10 frame cards. You've probably seen some of this coming home with homework, but basically it's just a visual way for the kids to see the number. Keep in mind that this up here is the top. So if you have just one dot, it should be up here, or 2 dots, it should be up here. But this is the top of a 10 frame, not like that. And the Reckon Rec or Math Rec symbol. I just started introducing these in the some of the math classes, but basically it's just a rack here, and it has 10 things on it, 5 red, 5 white. And you want to set it up, your math card, this way so that the red is on the left. So obviously this is a number 3, 5, and then this would be 6 because it has the one white one, 2, and 9. Okay, so that's how you make them. Again, if you're feeling overwhelmed because of all the different things that are coming at you, don't worry about this. Get to it eventually. But for those of you who want to, have fun with it, and I will be on soon to show you some games to play with them.